I'm really happy to be part of this auspicious occasion that today Saint Arnold has stepped in to be a higher secondary school. And I think our names also will be remembered by many people in days to come. And big congratulations to all of you all. I also came to Gandatwisa in 1986, and it was believed to be a very remote subdivision in those days. But today, the hard work, the dedication by the Holy Cross institution has brought the entire India in Gandatwisa. I was welcomed by the great dance here, Debbarma dance. All Gujaratis were dancing on this stage. How beautiful it was. And the Punjabi dance. I think this school has got some influence of Bollywood films. I think Father Prasad must be watching lot of Bollywood movies. Because the entire program, when the Garba dance was going on, I could remember one film of Salman Khan, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. And when that Punjabi dance was going on, the dance of Amitabh Bachchan, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. I think something was in the mind of Father Prasad to craft the entire program in such a manner that bring the entire India and also give the flavor of Bollywood films. Beautiful. And also 1,600 students here in the school, it shocked me. But I am also very happy because in my time, I was not a student like you all from convent school. I started my education in a very small village in Bangalore, India. Till 1986, I did not speak English. And I was thinking in those days when I would start speaking English. And we take English speaking courses and all this. Today, the Holy Cross group made our children to speak in English, literally free of cost. And I can tell you this much. Today I cannot do much. I am leader of the opposition. But when we are in power, days will come. I remember Bishop was telling me that it is really a big struggle to come and occupy the chair of leader of opposition. And days to come, you will grow more. And if I grow more, I am sure Saint Arnold will be given something to shine from our side. Will definitely be. In a state, I have been telling this. Last time when I came to Father Prasad, I was telling, in a state Tripura, there cannot be 4 tiers of education. Today you see the state, schools run by TTAPC is one tier. Another tier of education run by the state government. Another layer of education, English medium schools by the state government. Then comes the missionaries. This cannot be educational policy of a state. A state should have symmetric and very systematic educational system. Then only we grow. I am inspired to see this line that empowering tomorrow's leaders. These children only will become leaders. And Father Prasad and the entire team is trying to empower them. Even I never thought in my life. I was talking to Bishop. He was asking, seeing his name Montero, I asked him, Bishop, you must be from Goa. He said yes. I never thought in my life that I go to Mumbai and work. For 8 years I was there. And it was so difficult. Not knowing the culture, not knowing the language, not knowing so many people, it makes life very tough. But today, because of the missionaries, because of the Catholic groups and other organizations, the education is in. And I was happy to listen the KOKBOROK speaking and speech from Father Ivan. Busuk khrap apne posna See, only borok se agar bola kongai KOKBOROK pokta They have forgotten KOKBOROK. So many Debbarmas are there. Their face is only Debbarma. But language is not Debbarma, they have forgotten. And Tini Father Ibani Kok Khanawi, all of us, we get that inspiration. Language is very important. English na Khlaima, kintu mani KOKBOROK Khlaima na Father Prasad, he never has forgotten his mother tongue. When he quarrels, he forgets English, I am sure. He quarrels in Telugu. And one thing, it was raining cats and dogs. At that time also, the children were clapping in such a manner. I can tell you, Father Prasad has already championed himself teaching how to clap. This is the best clapping in India, I tell you. And the meter goes up, I am telling you. When I entered, the meter was this much. When I entered more, the clapping meter has gone up more. I know few sound engineers. They collect only sound. They spend days in jungle to catch the sound of bird. And those sounds, they are used in films, in so many short films. And anybody want to record the clapping, I recommend them, go to St. Arnold, Gandatwisa, you will get the best clapping sound. So nice, very nice. And I can only wish all of you all, holding very best, tomorrow, days are coming, Sir, we don't get job even if we pass masters. I said that days are changing. I again want to repeat that I have already spoken in so many programs. When I was around 16, 17 years, there was nothing called broiler chicken. Everything was country chicken. Now the whole India is having broiler chicken. Days have changed. Desi wap, the pork used to be desi. If you eat 300 grams of desi pork, sorry to you, I say, we Shiva actually shakes, everything perished. Nothing is there. Everything from the farm. Days are coming. Don't worry. Tablet in the answer. There will be one tablet. You don't need to eat any food. Scientists will invent. Father Prasad, you and me will not be there. Father Prasad also will be in the heaven. If I do good job, I also will be probably nearer to the gate of the heaven. I don't know whether I will enter there or not. But days are coming. Tablet kosa samavai konrodi maisan nagla. Science is developing. And you all, in your time, today in Indian Army, what is the prerequisite qualification? You need to be only passed or matric fail, something like that. Tomorrow, the armors will be such that. Don't worry, I am not a singer. It is only that singers they sing and the power goes on. People get angry. But when speakers speak, it's okay. No problem. So, only BSc Physics, MSc Physics, all those people will be required to be in the Indian Army. Not politics. There are so many opportunities. Don't look for opportunity in Gandatwisa or Gandatwisa. Look abroad. Mars Somatanda, I'm sure some of them they speak all. Father Prasad has taught them English, but the students also should teach him KOKBOROK. When he goes out from Gandatwisa, Father Prasad should be speaking in KOKBOROK. I tell you, more the state will progress, it will grow, especially my party and our team. We have that political will to work for the backward people in rural Tripura. Our mission is also to work for the downtrodden people and neglected people in Tripura. Of course, we are not against the urban people, but our focus always remains for those neglected people. Borono, Shochalani, Busarinani, Borono, Kahamukai, Lamo, Kaham Lamo, Tumulari, Monochi Chaito. And God will bless us to be in power. Once we come to power, I am sure we can frame good educational policy. A policy by Chili Borgo, Kaham Education Khlaima. Before I forget, the mixed dance. Father Prasad tried to mix the dance. But I have seen the girls have performed better than the boys. Tell the boys their partner was not in that mixed dance. The girls are on top. Even the Bhangra dance or Punjabi dance, the girls enjoyed dancing. The boys were hiding their face that side. I don't know why. Because boys also should have had come in the front, but all of them, out of shame, they have hidden their face that side. I think there was something wrong with the choreography. But to see this kind of choreography, Gandatwisa is marvelous, and I remember this, and I am so honored that Father Prasad has given me this opportunity, this privilege to be with you all on this auspicious day, and this school will shine gradually from higher secondary to degree college also. There should be the roadmap of the fathers. Bishop is here, actually, he is also listening. And this roadmap, one day as Father Ivan was telling, Gandatwisa was written by them. Yes, even I saw that board. And today it has become reality. And if we plan today something, that will become reality in days to come. So all of us, unitedly we have to work. Our work, our vision, our mission should be to upgrade the rural people so that they can become self-reliant. I will not take